Hi guys, this is Fullerton's Professional Organizing and YouTube channel, Glitzy Glam's Thrifty Home, Organized Home. And today what we're going to work on is resetting my closet. So first you're going to see my messy closet. You're going to see that it is organized, but even organized, it needs to be reset every week or every so often to make it more efficient and to tidy it up. So let's go into my closet. Come on and let's see what it looked like before and what it looked like after. All right, this is my closet reset. It is very well organized, but it's a little messy and needs to be reset a little bit. But this here is decorative pillows that I usually put on my bed when my bed is made. I have t-shirts folded here, shorts. In these I keep shoes, my summer clothes, long sleeve t-shirts, more shoes. And then the top of my closet, I have books. And then this has kids' memories. And these have swimming and towels, which I did not label yet because I just switched out my winter scarves and sweaters. I switch out from here. Now, as you can see, this is my winter long sleeve and winter stuff. It is not organized right now because I really haven't used it, so I haven't really bothered with it, so it could use some organizing. This is my chest drawer, which as you can see needs a reset. My bras and underwear and deodorant and powder, my camisoles, and then these are just some clean socks and masks that I took out of the clean laundry and didn't walk them over to the right area. So as you can see, my stuff doesn't stay completely organized. This is a new pair of shoes I bought, so I thought I had to send them back. That's why I kept this stuff. But now that I don't have to send them back, I can throw that away. This basket is where I throw my dirty socks because sometimes I rewear my socks. Okay, I don't know if you rewear your socks or not, but sometimes I do for work. And as you can see, I need to neaten up my shoes, my dirty clothes. This is if I travel, and Christmas stuff packed back here. Christmas bags and wrapping paper I keep in that corner. My dresses I keep over here. My dressy blouses here. Now, how I have this, I do have this organized by color, lights to dark, short sleeve. But down at the bottom, my pants are dark to light, except my jeans and casual weekend clothes are on the end. The reason I do it that way is so I can match dark and lights, and I don't really have to think too much or plan too much. And purses and hats and stuff are hung here. There I have my hats, purses that I don't use, which I know I should just get rid of it because I don't use it, but they were nice purses, they were gifts. And then I have some items from my childhood in that bin that my mom gave me that I have not been able to part with, memorabilia. So that is how my closet was organized and you now see the items that need to be reset, and that will be coming up next. All right, guys, here is the update on my closet reset. I showed you how my closet was a little messy It's organized, but it was a little messy and needed a reset. I still keep my, this is my pre-treat for if I have a spot, I spray it immediately before putting it into the dirty clothes. I have my robes hanging here. This is where I put my dirty bras. This is where I put my dirty underwear. And then they go thrown into the wash when it's laundry time. And I have my, lounge pants, my shorts, long sleeve t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts that I fold with this folding board so that they fit and they look nice and neat. And then in the other pockets are just, these are some stuff that I wanted to keep, but the rest are all my shoes, my heels. I have heels in these bins. I still have my books here, and those at the top are gift card, those are cards for like when I give a gift, and I have those in there. I did go through that. There wasn't too many of that I wanted to get rid of because these are my Bible study books and gift cards. And then this is stuff to give to my kids later on. Just some memorabilia from when they were growing up. You see, I keep it in just one bin, other than the bin I have of all my photos and photo albums. But these are other memorabilia. I have my summer stuff here, which I switch out. Sweaters and scarves are here during the that season, and then I take that out and I put my swimwear here. And I got rid of all the trash and things that didn't belong on my dresser. Now, this is embarrassing, but this is where I wear my bra twice before I put it in the dirty clothes, and I don't put it back in the drawer. It hangs there to air out. It's a little embarrassing for this video, but it's real. I keep my suitcase there, and gift wrap and empty hangers are there. My dirty clothes, my shoes, and here's how I organize my pants. Dark to light, except my I have my jeans in there. Dark to light, because up here I organize from light to dark. And then I have my dresses at the end because I really don't wear dresses that often. So they're there. And then again at the top, that did not change much. I have hats there. Now those are like cowboy hats for rodeo season. Other hats, purses that I am not currently using. And that one right there, let me just move the tag around, is some clothes my mom gave me from when I was a child. And I admit some of that stuff maybe I should still get rid of, but I have not. But as you can see, I have space for it here in my closet. My closet is nice and neat and orderly, so you can keep a few things. This drawer, I have my bras, my underwear, and my camisoles. I even keep my my deodorant in there. It's all nice and handy. This drawer are my PJs. This is where I keep my sweaters and scarves because I'm going to use them when it gets cold. And then those will go there when spring and summer hits, and that swimming gear and towels will go there, so they're easier to get to. And then I just keep that hat there at all times. Now here, all I have there is the pillows that I put on my decorative pillows that I put on my bed, and my my briefcase I have there for when I need to use it for papers and stuff like that. And that is the reset of my organized closet. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope to see you on the next video. All right, guys, that was my closet reset. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for sharing.